Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to show you how to make Sheera or Suji ka halwa at home. Before we begin, make sure you have subscribed to my channel and clicked on the bell icon so that you are notified every time I post an amazing recipe. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of Suji Rava, half cup of whole wheat flour, 6 tablespoons of ghee, 3/4 cup sugar, and some chopped almonds for garnishing. In a non-stick pan, add some ghee. Once the ghee melts, add the Suji Rava and mix. Then add the whole wheat flour and mix again. Keep stirring and roasting till it becomes slightly golden brown. Now add water and immediately put a lid on the pan. You will notice the mixture has become nice and fluffy. Now mix well and add the sugar. Cook till the sugar is dissolved and well incorporated. Garnish with some chopped almonds and serve.